Next is the reading comprehension passage with a set of 4 questions. Let's look at the first question. The author of the passage is most likely to agree with which of the following? Look at option B. Option B states the boundary between what is public and what is private is changing. This can be found in the last part of the passage where the author says, politics used to refer merely to the actions of monarchs, parliament, and ministers and to the activities of politically committed who helped or hindered their accession to authority. Everything else was social and or private. With the expansion of power of governments, nearly everything has come to be described in one way or another as political. Hence, option B is correct. Let's look at the next question. Which of the following can be inferred from the passage? Option A states recognizing a division between what is public and what is private is what distinguishes politics from despotism. This again has not been commented on the passage. Option B says to understand politics one must include science which might tell us what is going on beneath the surface. The answer to this question can be found in the second paragraph, the first few lines of the second paragraph. It says, it is said that the price of freedom is vigilance, and an important form of vigilance is attention to political rhetoric, which often reveals how things are going. The beginning of the wisdom in politics is attention to signs of change. As a theatre of illusion, politics does not reveal its meaning to the careless eye. Reality and illusion are central categories of political study. This gives us the answer as option B. Next question states, which of the following examples are in line with the following lines from the passage? Politics used to refer merely to the actions of monarchs, parliaments, and ministers. Let's look at statement A. Statement A says, homosexuality and religion, which used to be publicly regulated, are now largely private affairs. The passage states that the boundaries between what is public and what is private are merging. It does not say that what earlier used to be private has now become political, or what earlier now used to be political has now become public. The passage states that there is no definition of what is public and what is political now. Anything can be public and anything can be political. Hence, statement A is not correct. Statement B says, it has become routine to hear about promising political careers imperiled by the revelations of extramarital sex. Extramarital sex was a private affair. This should not have any impact on the political career of the politician. But it does now, and that shows that the boundaries are merging. Hence, statement B is an example. Statement C says, in a presidential debate, questions were asked about the upbringing of children of respected candidates. Again, the upbringing of the children of the candidates was a private affair which has now come into public arena, and hence it shows that boundaries for political and private things are now merging. Hence, answer will be B, both B and C. Next question says, which of the following concurs with the author's view on the role of politics? The correct answer to this question is option D, which says it is often believed that all things good or bad are caused by political policies. This can be found in the last part of the passage, where the author states, we may mention here just one of the many reasons for this. Government wishing to claim credit for all good things and oppositions wishing to dispense all blame for all bad things have colluded in the spreading of the idea that all things, good or bad, are caused by political policies. Hence, answer will become option D.